Big Poppa here, and you know how I always have Casey on and I say he's my favorite son? But the favorite son is based on proximity. So right now this is my favorite son, Scotty. Scotty Ball. And Scotty's gotten into cooking bread and pizza. And so we're gonna work on that and he's gonna show Poppa some old tricks. Okay, you did this yesterday. So why does it sit overnight in the refrigerator?
Well, mainly to develop flavor. I mean, that's the main reason. And the texture of the bread, most people prefer it. This one is only fermented for 18 hours, which is probably the minimum you want to do. The best is probably around 3 to 4 days. I like it in there a little long.
Okay, and flour is critical, right?
Yeah.
And so you use
I like this flour for this dough because it's really fluffy and light, and it still crisps up well, and I think this helps with that. So we'll put a little flour on top first, because it's probably gonna be a little sticky, so. Let's get this out onto the bench.
The way he's going in there and getting it is really cool. I would have made a mess, as you guys know.
Try to get as much
Look at
out
that. That's a hunk of flour.
Yeah. You want to do the honors?
No, why? Then you'll blame me when it goes wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
So I love this OXO blade. I bought it on Amazon. It's great on your griddle too. And look at that. That's looking beautiful. Now the bubbles, is that a yeast reaction?
Yeah, I think that's just the fermentation. So this is I'm just forming it into like a loose ball. It doesn't have to be perfect.
For people that are interested in getting started on this, what do you think are the go-to websites or blogs that you've used that have helped you the most?
I'd say the pizza making forum. That's definitely like a really great place for information. I think Serious Eats has a lot of good recipes. Those are probably the best two that I've found so far.
You know, I told you guys I cook this stuff and I get these ideas, but if I need help with the ideas, Serious Eats, no matter what you're doing, is really good.
Yeah. So we'll just put this one in the pan too.
I don't know to trust you with the olive oil.
Yeah. Definitely have to do it lighter.
Daddy dearest. I may have a future in this.
Yeah, that's good. We'll put it in plastic wrap and we'll let it rise for an hour.
Fabulous. We'll be back.
We wanted to let it about double in size. Saran wrap on.
Ooh.
So now what we're gonna do is put a little more extra virgin olive oil on here. And we're gonna dimple it one last time. And you want to pop the bubbles too before they go in because they'll blister and burn.
How's that sound?
That looks good. Yeah.
Pretty happy with it.
There we go. And then the next step, we'll be back in an hour when it's time to pop them in. All right, it's been resting for about an hour. So this one, we're gonna do a pan pizza. So we're gonna par bake it at 500.
Do you think I need to pop that?
No, I think it's okay. We can watch it, and if you see any bubbles to start rising, you can.
All right, we'll be back. Okay, Scotty, this has been so much fun. This is a deep dish pizza that proofed for 24 hours, and then you par baked it for 15 minutes.
Yep.
And now it's rested on the cooling rack for
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
You can just pick it up, or you can slide it in.
Wait, no, show them the bottom side.
Oh. It's a good start.
Ooh.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do half the cheese on the pizza before the sauce to start. I'll do it around the edges.
Because you get some caramelization,
Yeah,
right?
so you get some caramelization. That's a good start. Then we'll sprinkle some of this on, or some of this.
So you like King Arthur's site, the pizza baking
Pizza making
forum, Serious Eats. Yeah, like I said, I love Serious Eats. Right, some Parmesan. How long are you gonna bake it for?
Well, we're gonna watch it. It's probably gonna be another 10 10, 15 minutes, somewhere around there, maybe a little longer. Just watch it and you wait until it gets just the perfect color or how you like it.
We started this journey yesterday. It's the longest I've ever had to wait for a pizza delivery. But it's so perfect. All the details, it's just like when you're cooking competition barbecue, French food or anything, the amount of details you paid attention to is really impressive. And let's pull it out and see what we think. Reggiano Parmesan.
I can't wait for a slice of that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, do you cut this in squares or do you cut it in?
I'll probably cut it like a normal pizza.
Okay.
Look at that.
See which piece Poppa takes.